the main lane on Thursday, Welsh Ponies. Felly, coming in there, the results are as follows. Hunta, first place, goes to 2172. Jack Kitchen with Rosemore Florence. Second place, Sarai Safler, Emily Dai Pink, 2165. David Beardmore with Stoney Lilybet. Third place, 2180, and trydydd i Dai 180, Jan Verhoeven with Robert White Stables, Frankie Sarah. Fourth place goes to 2167 and Pedwerydd i Dai 137, Marcus Corwood with Monofarm Fit Check. Fifth place goes to 2174, Cymed i Dai 174, C&J Markin with Lockley Victoria. And sixth place, 2175, Crackhead i Dai 175, Robert Rawlings, Romford Lady Isabel. So we move on now to Special 307, page 270 in the catalogues. This is the Charitable Society Silver Spoon and Rosette for the best mare of filly, and we invite all the winners of our previous classes there into the ring.
A dyma ni yn cael golwg ar diwedd beirniadu yr Eboles ore yn yr adran B ac yn ennill y flwyddyn hyn i Mr Mrs Landon yn dwylo i merch Linksbury, Eboles y Linksbury. Does dim enw dau to, ond beth sy'n mewn enw mae wedi ennill.
With a baby dive form and 6.